Hi guys! It's me again, Doc Mish, and I'm here today to answer more of your pet questions.
Dok, hanggang anong edad pwede magbuntis ang aso at pusa?
We usually stop breeding our pets at the age of 7 to 8 years old. Pero kung minsan, meron pa rin tayong mga mama cats and dogs at the age of 9 or 10 years old, nabubuntis pa rin. Especially kapag meron tayong batang-batang lalaking aso o pusa na kasama nila sa bahay. But this is not advisable kasi ang ating mga alaga at age 9 or 10 years old, senior citizen na sila. But the usual age where I want you to stop breeding your dogs is sana mga 5 to 6 years old sila. Kapag ganong age, it ensures that not only the mommy is fine while gestating, pero pati ang kanilang mga anak ay healthy din. Once again, it's me, Doc Mish, reminding you, be the best for parent you can be.